What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Will Drive back with another video featuring the Scat, of course. This is what it's all about, man. So, you know, we finally hit 100 subscribers. So we're gonna go ahead and announce the giveaway and who that 100 subscriber was. Thank y'all for subscribing and liking my videos and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna do a little POV today, so let's get that started. City. There go the city. Oh yeah, when it downshifts, you know, it's my first time owning one of these cars, but like it kind of sounds like a Pro Charger when it downshifts, or like when I slow down to around like 20 miles per hour, it's like I don't know, it's weird. Uh-oh, y'all. This is the exciting part right here. Exciting part. Woo-hoo! I don't want to roll the window down here, nothing but wind. That'll suck. beautiful just like this view, y'all. Look at this beautiful view. Traffic. Hate traffic, man. It's gonna be like, what the? Spinning. 305s is spinning. 305s is spinning. Too much dang horse. Too much horsepower. Damn. Woo. She make it clap, clap, clap. Oh. Man, this car's too much fun. But too much traffic. Y'all see this grip? I'm not playing around. Y'all see this grip? Y'all, I think we got some good pulls in. Nothing too crazy now, but I think we got some good pulls in. Something slight. Yeah, yo, that concludes the POV. Let me know if that POV was decent, man. I tried. I feel like, you know, I could have done a little bit more. I feel like I tried enough though. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below. What else y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see more types of POVs? Do y'all want to see them like on top, on the side? Because I'll just drive around and have it on top and just see who wants to smoke. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we out here. Beautiful day today. By my lonesome though, but all I need is Smokey. I think that's the name. I think the name is Smokey. But yeah, we got some content coming. What is this? Tell me what that is. That's small. That's too small. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all want to see more POVs. If not, that's cool. I'm too tall for it. I'm sitting all the way up on the seat. I'm like this, looking down with the headset. I mean with the GoPro. But hell yeah, though. Shit, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for the 100. Thank y'all for the 100 subscribers, man. We just gonna keep running it up. We gonna keep dropping new stuff. But yeah, oh yeah, new rap coming. Yeah, I'm wrapping her up. It's Smokey right now. That's Smokey right there. But yeah, we at like probably 101 subscriber, on the way to 500 now. Matter of fact, we on the road to 1K, man. But yeah, shout out to that 100 subscriber. I was looking on who subscribed, who was my 100 subscribers. So I'm finna send y'all a little something. I'm finna show y'all real quick. Just a little Cash App payment, you know, for my 100 subscriber. You know, it's nothing to me, man. You know, I thank y'all for rocking with me. So, you know, I'm gonna just give back to y'all. I memorized it. Hold on. See, this is my first time sending it to him. So, my 100 subscriber right here. Good looking, bro. Where's it at? Yup. 100 sub. Come on. There you go. Give it to my boy. But yeah, that was just a little appreciation for my 100 subscriber. You know, I was watching it hit 95, 96, 97, 98. I was like, uh-oh, we about to hit 100. But yeah, thank y'all, all y'all subscribers, all y'all new subscribers that's still subscribing to me. You know, I ain't drop a video in a minute, about 5 days, but you know, I'm gonna stay consistent with it, and we're gonna keep dropping new videos, new bangers, man, for y'all. Cause I know I'm in love with the car, and I know y'all in love with the car. So, you know, we're just gonna keep running it up. But shit, I hope y'all enjoy the POV. Like I said, let me know if y'all want any more POVs or see anything else consistent of that. But we got more shit on the way. Love y'all. Double salute. Peace.